Today in maths, we're adding dollars and cents. When we look to add dollars and cents together, the dollar amount always goes first. After that is the cent amount. So here you'll see $1, and then in the other triangle, there's 20 cents. And when that's written, it's written as the symbol, the dollar symbol, followed by the dollar amount. There's a little, like a full stop in the middle, which is called a decimal point. And then after the decimal point is the cent amount. So here we have $1.20. Let's have a look at why. When we go to the shops and we see price tags, there's all different prices and dollar amounts or money amounts that represent things that we want to buy. So here we see a book for $2. And that's easy because you can just give over a $2 coin to pay for that book. The same with the plan. It costs $1. That's easy to just hand over your gold coin, which is a dollar coin. And for the fidget spinner, 50 cents. And for that, you would just pay with a 50-cent coin. But what happens when you just don't need one coin? We've got three amounts here. We have some dog food with a price of $2.50. We have some laundry detergent, $1.20, and a soccer ball, $2.10. So we're going to look at each of those and what that looks like. We have the dog food for $2.50. To pay for this, you will need a $2 coin and a 50-cent coin. When we look at how much that is, here is the number sentence, $2.50. We can represent that with the dollar symbol and the cent symbol. So remember, the dollar symbol always goes before the dollar amount, and the cent symbol always goes after the cent amount. But we're learning to write it as a number. So there we have our symbol of our dollar, which is before the dollar amount. And that says $2.50 to pay for our dog food. The next example is our laundry detergent, $1.20. We need a $1 coin and a 20-cent coin. The sentence, $1.20. We can represent that with symbols and the word and, or as it shows on the price tag, $1.20. And finally, our soccer ball, $2.10. We need a $2 coin and a 10-cent coin to pay for this soccer ball. We would say that as $2.10 with our symbols to represent dollars and cents, or as it shows on the price tag, $2.10. All right, here we're going to look at each coin and break it down. So we have a $1 coin and a 10-cent coin, and that's shown as $1.10 or $1.10. And remember, we have that decimal point which separates the dollar amount and the cent amount. And here we have $2.10 with the $2.10. The next amount is a $1 coin and a 20-cent coin, $1.20. And our $2 coin and our 20-cent coin, which is $2.20. Let's now look at our $1.50 coin together. And it looks like that, $1.50. And our $2.50, which is represented as $2.50. Now, the last two we'll look at is our $1.05 coin. It's a little bit different. You'll notice when I put the amount up, you'll notice that we've got the dollar amount with a decimal point, and then it says 0.5. So because 5 cents is just five ones, we need to hold the place before or after the decimal point. So we represent that with a 0 to hold that place, and then the 5 cent goes after that. And that's the simplest explanation, but we will get into that more in the weeks to come. So if it's $2.05, again, we represent that with the $2 decimal point. We hold the place with a 0, and then we put the 5 cent amount after that. So boys and girls, remember, when we're adding coins together, a dollar amount with a cent amount, we always put the dollar amount first. We separate that with a decimal point, and then we have the cent amount after the decimal point. Well done. So now you'll do an activity to practice that.